Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.1 on RHEL 9 versions. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with RHEL 9, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, it is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 18.1. Click on download or download, either is same. Then click on Linux. Then click on this Red Hat, RHEL or AlmaLinux. See, PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on RHEL, RHEL Linux, AlmaLinux and Fedora. So select the version. See, latest version is 18. So select 18. 18.1 is the minor version. 18 is the major version. Okay. Then select the operating system version. I am on RHEL 9. If you have 10, select 10. 8 like this. Okay. Select 9. Then select the architecture. Then once you selected these options, it populated list of the commands that needs to be executed to install PostgreSQL Server 18.1. So run these commands one by one. First, this will install RPM repository. Then this will disable PostgreSQL modules. Then this will install PostgreSQL Server. Optionally, we can start and enable the PostgreSQL services. Okay, so run these commands one by one. Copy it. Open terminal. Paste it. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now disable if there are any PostgreSQL inbuilt modules. It is done. Now install the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 18-server. If you want to install 17, just you need to give 17. So latest version is 18, so I am giving 18. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server version 18.1. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. Control A, we have successfully installed Control A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -18. If you don't give the version, it won't work. See, so we have to give -version number. See, PostgreSQL Server is installed, but it is not started and disabled. Okay, before starting and enabling, initialize this database. Initialize the database by running this command. It's done. Now enable and start the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -18. Enable it. See, it's done. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -18. See, PostgreSQL Server is active and running and it is enabled. Q to quit and see here PIDs for the PostgreSQL processes for logger, IO worker, checkpointer, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher and logical replication launcher. These are the PIDs. Okay. Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres-SQL. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL Server. And see here the version 18.1, but this is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server, it is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 18.1. Okay, good. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for the Postgres user, which is super user. So first we take a list of users /du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having super user privileges. You can also get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Okay, now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Then whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, alter means we have successfully set a list of databases. /l, the commands that starts with / are called meta commands. See, these are the list of the databases that comes with PostgreSQL server installation. You can also get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the databases. Okay, now create database. Create database /l. See, we have created database bank, and this is the one of the database. Control-A. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the /c or connect. Either is same, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify tables. See, we don't have any tables, so create table. See, we have created table customer in public schema, and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Control-A, create user. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Here David.123 is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. To exit, we have to use /q, then PSQL-h. H means host name, localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. -u must be caps. Then username is David. -d means database Postgres. Then provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully connected. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. See, you are now connected to database bank as user David. Control-A. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission error for table customer, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit. Now we see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server on RHEL 9 versions. You can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit. Control-A, sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL -18. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL services stopped 4 seconds ago. Even we can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. So exit from the current user and start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -18. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service is started. Okay, if you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart, then service name. We have successfully restarted. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Control-A. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbeaver. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both pgadmin and dbeaver on RHEL operating systems. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.1 on RHEL 9. Okay, for more PostgreSQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.